am Dr. Kavya, Occupational Therapist at Pinnacle Blooms Network Center at Nallagadda facility. Today I am going to explain the crawling to the tunnel activity. Firstly, we ask the child to crawl to the tunnel. Crawl or scoot to the tunnel from one end of the tunnel to the other end of the tunnel. As we know, crawling is one of the most important form of developmental skill. It is the first main form of the child to make independent in the form of independency and fine motor skills. The benefits of the crawling includes the child to develop the core strengthening and also strengthening of the muscles of the upper limb as well as the lower limb, and it can help the bridging also. While crawling through the tunnel, child can feel the gravity against the pull, and also crawling increases the motor activities and as well as make them the child to develop gripping and kneeling. All these together help the child to enhances the motor development and also helps the focus and attention. When all these gross motor skills are developed, it helps the children to gain more focus and attention on the other activities. Thank you.
Autism spectrum disorder, psychological problems are troubling approximately 80 crore people across the world. Could endanger your children's future too. Pinnacle Blooms Network is probably the only chain of child development rehabilitation therapy centers offering smart goals-based speech therapy, occupational therapy, behavioral therapy, psychological counseling for kids to be part of mainstream society and bring smiles into their families. Pinnacle's Mirracle is 360-degree patented digital platform to bring technology for empowering kids with special needs. Pinnacle Blooms Network is special edu healthcare unit of Bharat Healthcare Private Limited, Government of India's prestigious Startup India awarded futuristic health tech organization. Largest team of proven therapists ready to work with your kid. Contact us today 9100 181 181 for free assessment.